Hey guys, welcome to our channel Food Treasure. Today we got Hokkien noodles on the menu. It is a Chinese-inspired food which travel around the world. We're gonna show you how to make it in very simple ingredients. First, we start with the ingredients. We got dark soy sauce, coriander leaves, angle sliced shallots, thinly sliced chicken breast, Spanish onion, oyster sauce, half of lemon, bean sprouts, bok choy, Hokkien egg noodles, baby corn, chili for optional, ginger garlic, peppercorn, sesame oil, and salt. First, we are going to marinate the chicken. About half of that soy sauce, pouring into the chicken to give a good black color, and mix them well. Set aside. Then we're gonna heat the oil and spray some canola oil. Once it heat enough, we're gonna sear the chicken on both sides and set it aside. Then we got a deep frying wok. We are adding some oil into it, bring it to the heat, then you start frying the ingredients. First we start with the garlic and ginger, then we add onions, got the chili, then we add some the sprouts. Now we got some oyster sauce pouring into it and the remaining soy sauce. Mix them well. Then we add baby corn. Mix them well again, so get a good color of this soy and then oyster sauce. Then we're adding that bok choy. We're just gonna make sure like we're not fully cooking the bok choy. We want the vegetable still crunchy. Salt, pepper for sure. Mix them well. Then we add the chicken previously cooked and then the noodles. We mix them well. Make sure you get the color through the noodles and everything evenly. We are squeezing the lemon and pouring into it, so lemon give it like tangy flavors. Add the shallots, mix them well, and then we finish with the coriander, the previously picked the coriander. Mix them well and it's ready to serve. So you don't really need to go to the restaurant to try the Hokkien noodles. You can simply make it home.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.